Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing and also giving my first impression on these detangling tools from a company called Kazmaleje. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video on Wednesdays and Saturdays. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's get into this video. So I got this set of detangling tools for my birthday this year. Hooray! And I was excited to receive them, but I struggled to pronounce the name. At first I was like, is this word like Kazmaleje or Kazmaleje? Like, what is this name? But when you go on their website and read the name, they actually say, like, they tell you how to pronounce, and it's actually pronounced Kazmaleje. The first tool that I'm going to show you is one they have called the Curls Plus Comb, and it pretty much resembles a white tooth comb in the design. However, this one has a couple of things that are unique about it. The teeth are very smooth. And the handle has a little tip at the end, which is supposed to be used to make parts on your hair. And also the handle is curved in such a way that makes it easy for you to hold when you're detangling your hair. The next tool they have is called the Curls Plus Pick, and this is what they call a travel size pick that you can use obviously to pick your hair. And as you know, these kinds of combs are used to add volume to your hair, and they can help give you like a fuller look overall with your twist outs, braid outs, etc. The last tool they have is called the Curls Plus Pebble Comb, and this is the most interesting to me because it's actually like a brush but not really. It's almost like, you know, a confusion between a comb and a brush. But it's interesting because it's designed in such a way that it can detangle larger sections of hair. So if you've got thicker hair, you know, or just want to detangle larger sections in general, this is probably a tool to use. They say that it's supposed to do all this while minimizing breakage and detangling your hair very gently and massaging your scalp at the same time, which I thought was pretty interesting. Anywho, let's put these tools to the test. I will not be using the pick in this video because my hair needs a detangle, not really picking or styling. But if you guys want to see me use it, I'll probably do like a twist out video, etc. and, you know, use it at the same time. I've recently purchased Kinky Curly's Not Today leave-in conditioner stroke detangler, so I decided to put it to the test, but to my disappointment I did not get the results that I wanted. I did not get enough slip with this product. I mean, I only tried it on one part of my hair and just sort of, you know, ditched it, if I were to be honest. But yeah, let me know if you guys have used this product before and if it's worked for you, because when I tried to actually detangle my hair with it, I don't know, maybe I didn't put enough, but I didn't get the slip that I wanted. So to me, this is probably like just a leave-in conditioner. It shouldn't really be classified as a detangler. Yeah, but anyway, let me know, comment below, let me know if you've tried this and you found it beneficial. Maybe I'm just using it the wrong way. So I brought out the big guns and just slapped on a detangling conditioner that I had in the house. This one is from Hawaiian Silky, and I mean, it's not the best, but it does a better job than the Kinky Curly Not Today. As you can see, guys, I am starting from the ends of my hair and sort of just manipulating and working my way around the knots. I do get quite a bit of tangling at the base of my hair, so you can see me just take my time to sort of work through the knots before I can comb the whole part from the base all the way to the ends. So I almost like detangle the section in sections, if that makes sense. So the tips, the base, the midsection, until I can pass the comb all the way through from the base to the ends. So the comb did okay. I wouldn't say it was quicker than my usual combs. I think it's probably just the average time. I decided to go in with the pebble comb, which, you know, I don't know if this is what you're supposed to be doing, but it kind of looks like a brush. So I'm sort of following the steps that I normally would with normal tools that I would use. And my hair is detangled, guys. It didn't take too long, but what I can definitely say just from detangling one part of my hair is how gentle these tools are on the hair. The space in between the teeth is amazing. It just means there's less friction and the hair glides a little bit better, and the teeth are also very, very smooth, which is also gentle on the hair and will prevent breakage. So I love those properties about these tools. And yeah, I'm just going to try it out on another section to see how that works. And for this one, I'm just going to use the pebble comb and just see how well that detangles without going in with the comb, the standalone comb first, if you know what I mean. Just a couple of passes and boom, detangled, like just like that. I feel like this pebble comb can actually be a standalone detangling tool, and I say that because it's sort of two in one, if you wanna say it like that. It grabs much more hair. It acts as a comb and a brush, but not really. It's gentle on the hair. So if you wanted to try even just one tool from this line, this is the one that I would buy. There's a couple of downsides though. The size of it make it that it's so easy to grab hair from a section you didn't select because it just grabs too much, and it's slippery around the handle with all the conditioners, the butters, the oils that we use to detangle our hair, guys. I don't know about the handle. I think they need to rethink the handle of these tools. I actually found the same thing with the comb, like the wide tooth comb. It just gets slippery really quickly, and you can see that I'm sort of holding it, you know, on the body rather than with the handle, because it's just slipping out of my my hands. But otherwise it detangled well. As you can see, that portion is pretty much done in no time, and I didn't need to do any two-step process or three-step process. So trying out the tip of the comb to see how well it parts. Actually, that was an already made part, so that was it. Yeah, that wasn't right. Let's do it again. You will find that it does do the job if you want to make like a part. However, it's not that precise. Like if you want to make super clean parts, you might need the usual rat tail comb. However, it does the job. You know, if you're not too fussy about your lines, it does the job. And it's not like the lines are raggedy or, you know, not neat. They will be neat and very presentable, but, you know, I've seen the rat tail comb do some miracles. So yeah, it does a job, but it's not like the best thing you've ever seen, if you know what I mean. I tried a smaller section to see how the tools would work, and as you can see, even for the comb, I'm actually holding it on the body, not on the handle. It's just an easier, more secure grip to detangle my hair because it's just slipping at the handle itself. But the tool did detangle, and when I went in with the pebble comb, it was a two-minute job, even less, and yeah, it worked really well. So final thoughts, I like the tools. There are a few downsides. You know, there are no tools that are perfect, but these are pretty close, and they're very gentle on the hair, which is my favorite thing about them. Do comment below, subscribe, click that notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.